Nice and pretty. What we have here is a C7 that are Lando Cantu. I think everyone knows them as Cantu Racing out of Victoria, and wanted us to modify the existing kit that is on. The steel, it's a Procharger. It's an F1. It's an F-1X. F-1X, right? Yeah. It's an F-1X, and so everybody knows when you usually buy a Procharger kit, it all comes with, you know, a bunch of rubber couplings and everything else. And anybody who actually does some hardcore racing and stuff knows that. It'll happen very often where you start blowing your pipes off, you know, just because of either excess boost or, you know, most of the time just because of fitment and everything else, or in general, they just don't hold up. I know he's trying to get to a big race, I think next weekend, somewhere in Louisiana or something like that. You know, what we use is their HD clamps, and this is actually their older clamshells. They actually have the new design now they came out with at the beginning of the year. So I still have some of these in stock. So basically using this, getting this situated, and then but yeah, so we had to remake some piping and stuff. And I don't think this is an actual Procharger kit. I think it's just the actual head unit. I think someone else did the intercooler setup on there, so we had to modify the intercooler to accept the HD clamps from Vibrant. And then obviously we're making all our piping now, so we're at the point we're pretty close to being done. We just gotta make this intake little pipe for it, and it should be pretty much ready to go. And I think he's already on his way to come pick it up, so when he gets here we'll go over the whole car. He can actually break down exactly what the car's been done, if he wants to put it out there. I know it's more of a grudge car, so it probably won't say much, but
417 ultra billet rods, ultra billet cranes, ported heads, ported intake, all that stuff. F-1X spun up, fully built trans, front to back, everything's in-house. Trans is in-house, motors in-house. Of course, y'all did the piping. Amazing work. 1 day turnaround.
Yeah,
everybody gets one.
Edit that part out. Thankfully, so yeah, it's a great job. Vibrant, of course, everything all the way around.
Yeah, it's like a day and a half, pretty much. By the time we do the exhaust and everything else.
Oh, I did the exhaust fan. I forgot about that.
Yeah, so it's like about 7-8 inches, and then it has like a little 45-degree pitch to it. So that way it doesn't drone or do anything like that crazy. And then it's not, by the time it picks up dust, it'll be like way fucked back.
Oh yeah. Yeah, pretty good.
That'd be too bad. Try to make it where it's nice, and if you wash the motherfucker, it doesn't try to
blow everything.
You know, you got your little cloud of going around the fucking roof and shit.
Yeah, no, it's loud. It's light too. Everything. That's why I did it. That's why I cut the exhaust. So it was like 72 pounds of the exhaust.
What?
Mm-hmm. With the axle back and the mid pipe and everything, it was like in the brackets.
72 pounds?
Yeah, 72 pounds.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's heavy. The rotors and everything. Yeah, that stainless is thick. That stainless they use. Yeah, and then he has the Corsa Extreme. Shit, they're heavy. It's the whole tube. It's like it takes up the whole back end of it.
Because when you recorded earlier, it was just we're doing this over here.
Those fucking dimes.
Some nickels. Oh, that's nickels.
That's nickels.
Tight.
Yeah, I'm excited to see.
Good enough for government work.
Yeah, and the coilovers go on the night. Oh, Deadpool. This one's Baba Yaga. That's what he calls it.
This is Baba Yaga?
Baba Yaga.
What, the white one?
Yeah, the white one, he calls it Baba Yaga. In that movie, one that just came out.
Let me see.
Someone
John Wick.
decided- Someone
John Wick.
decided to jump off the car and leave the key and take the keys with them.
I apologize sincerely. You know,
That was pretty funny.
I know when you told me, I
I
was
was
like,
sitting there like, bro, where the fuck is the key at? Where's the key at? And I'm like, man, I went inside and I grabbed it. I was like, no, it's definitely for that one.
He didn't trust you.
I know, right? Man, I forgot the trailer, dude. I left it here and I had to bring a car to Houston today. Yeah, I had to drop another vet off to a customer and I completely forgot and I left the trailer here. So I gotta go back home, pick up the vet and come back over here. Yes.